Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery, and here we are in Physics Surgery Quickies, wherein I bring forward to you some small little concepts that will help you in preparing for your JEE mains and JEE advanced situations. Okay, so I generally call this as the fast food for thought section, and this is one fast food that is definitely not harmful for the students. Okay, so here we go. And there is a racing car with an open door, slightly open, which accelerates from rest. And because of this acceleration, you might have seen the door actually closes after traveling a certain distance. Okay, so our job is to find what is the distance and what is the multiple concepts involved in this particular problem. Okay, so here's the formal wording. I would request students who are serious aspirants to pause the video here, try this one for 1 or 2 minutes, and do come back for the multiple concepts that are part of this particular question. So I go with the formal reading here. A car accelerates uniformly from rest. Initially, its door is slightly ajar, means open. Calculate how far in meters the car travels before the door slams shut. Assume the door has a frictionless hinge, a uniform mass distribution, and a length of 1.2 meter from front to back. Report your answer in the format of the JEE mains or advanced or to the nearest integer. So if you're getting any decimal values, try to round off your answer to the nearest integer and try to report it. Okay, so I hope you have given it a fair try, and I'll go ahead with the two simple concepts involved, and then I'll start with the solution. Okay, so one of the foremost things that will be involved in this question is to realize that a rotation of the door would involve the moment of inertia calculation of the door about the axis of rotation. So here I have presented the picture of the top view of the car moving and the door slightly open in red color. Can you see that the door is open? And with respect to an axis at this particular end perpendicular to the screen here, I hope you're able to visualize that axis. The door will rotate and shut. Okay, so the same thing I have written from the view of the road. Let's say a person is watching from the back side, he would be able to see the door. This is the axis of the door. The length of the door is L. Actually, L is given, B is not given. And that was very smart from the examiner, because the moment of inertia about this will only depend on L, the length distribution, not the breadth. And that you can confidently say from your moment of inertia calculations that this entire B can be compressed without compromising on the mass distribution. You could say all these rods, each one of them would have a dm into L square by 3 moment of inertia. So when you integrate this entire system of rods about their ends, you'll end up getting ml square by 3. So that's the reason why the breadth of the door was not mentioned in the question. Okay, now where will we use this moment of inertia? You'll realize that if this is slightly open, he said, right, that means this angle is very, very small. So this would be considered as a physical pendulum with respect to driver of a car. So the small angle rotation requires the time period of a physical pendulum. So to refresh that concept, the simple pendulum's slightly higher version is a physical pendulum where the mass distribution is there. If center of mass is at a distance L centimeters from the point of suspension of physical pendulum, the center of gravity is here, and mg sine theta is the restoring force, or which creates the restoring torque. And by simple calculations, you would realize for small angular amplitudes, the time period of oscillation comes out to be this. Okay, so this is a basic derivation that you would be requiring to write tau equal to I alpha about this point. And in that, the sine theta should be reported as theta approximately, and that's how you end up getting a angular SHM. Okay, so this is something that you should know prior. And as we move along, now a lot of things on the board, just concentrate and follow me. If you are the driver of the car, with respect to this accelerating frame A, you can visualize that there is effective gravity in the reverse direction. It's just like a pseudo force of ma that is acting like gravity for this particular guy. So this now becomes a physical pendulum with an effective gravity of A. So the time period of this physical pendulum would be 2 pi into moment of inertia as calculated as ml square by 3 divided by m into g. G is substituted as the acceleration A, and to distance of the center of mass from the center, which is the point of suspension, which is L by 2. So you end up having 2 pi into root 2L by 3A is the time period. But the shutting of the door is moving from the extreme position of that SHM to the mean position, which is like 1/4 oscillation. So the time duration for shutting would be capital T by 4. And the distance traveled by car, therefore it is starting from rest, therefore you should have ut plus half at square, where ut term is 0. And here's the beauty of this part: when you take t square and multiply it with this a, you'll end up having the cancellation of a. So irrespective of whatever acceleration this particular car has, and whatever the small angle this one is, the distance traveled in all the cases will be the same. It's a beautiful result that you end up getting as long as the door's length is the same. So you'd end up having pi square L by 12 as the answer. Since he requested us to report the answer to the nearest integer questions can be successfully solved if I assume pi square as 10. Okay, L was 1.2, so you end up getting approximately 1 meter distance is the travel before the door shuts down. Okay, so that's the whole idea. If you want to try out few more quickies to enrich your concepts, the link of the playlist is in the description below. Apart from that, some important series are running parallelly to help the JEE preparing students. Like all these playlists are in the description below. So please do check out if you are new in this channel. And if you like the content, by watching 2 or 3 videos, you try. Everyone will tell you that the channel is good and all. So I would leave it to you. 2 or 3 videos you watch if you are new, and if you like to share and subscribe to the channel, you are very much welcome and to be part of this great family that we already have. Okay, thanks for supporting and thanks for staying this long, and see you in the next video.